Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build a sleek drop-down mega menu right inside your Wix website. By the end of this tutorial, not only will you have a professional, modern-looking navigation bar that's super easy to use, but you'll also understand the tools and tricks that make customizing your Wix menus straightforward and fun. Let's jump right in. First off, you'll need to head over to your Wix website design, so go ahead and log into Wix and open the editor for your site. Once you're on your website's editing page, take a look around for your navigation menu. Usually it'll be towards the top of your site, but if you've moved things around, just scan until you find it. Give it a click to select it. You should see the blue outline appear. This lets you know you're working with the correct element. Now with the menu selected, look for the Manage Menu button or option. Clicking on this brings up a panel where you can see all your current menu items, like Home, About, Contact, and whatever pages you have set up. This is where we'll work our magic. To add a new grouping, click Add Menu Item. You'll notice a few options pop up, but for a dropdown, what you want to do is select the special dropdown type. This is crucial. It's like telling Wix, hey, I want a menu item that will unfold to show more options underneath. Once you've added the dropdown, you can actually drag and drop other menu headers directly beneath this new dropdown item. So for example, if you have an Our Services dropdown, you might tuck Consulting, Design, and Support sections right beneath it. Just click, hold, and move them slightly to the right under your dropdown. You'll see them nest visually so you know you've done it right. Now don't forget to rename your dropdown to something that makes sense for your users. Maybe just Menu, or perhaps something more specific like Products or Explore. Double-click on the dropdown text in the list, type your new name, and hit Enter. Renaming keeps things organized and user-friendly and helps your visitors navigate smoothly. Once you're happy with the structure and names, simply close out of the Menu Options panel. But we're not quite done. Next, click your actual menu again on your site, and this time go over to the Layout settings. Here, where things get interactive, select Dropdown as the menu type, then look for an option called Flyout. Choosing Flyout means that your dropdown will expand to the side rather than just down, which can be really helpful for sites with lots of navigation links. It keeps everything clean and avoids overwhelming your visitors. At this point, you can fine-tune your mega menu's appearance. Play around with the alignment. Do you want your dropdown to be left-aligned, centered, or right-aligned with your menu bar? You'll also find options to adjust the paddings, basically the spacing around your items. Don't be afraid to experiment here. If something looks off, remember you can always undo or tweak it further until you're satisfied. And finally, you can totally customize the look of your menu using design themes in Wix. Click on Design, and you'll see a variety of menu layouts and color themes. You might choose one that matches your brand colors or go for a bold style that stands out. Don't rush this part. The menu often sets the first impression, so have a little fun making it your own. And that's it. You've built a drop-down mega menu for your Wix site. Pretty simple, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions at all about building menus or working in Wix, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.